In today's episode, I'm doing a quick haul from Temu. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, as I said earlier, I have a small little haul I want to share with you guys that I got from Temu. Now, it came in today, and I wanted to share with you really quickly. And I got a couple of other items that I want to share with you that I picked up while I was at home, and the other one came from eFavorMart. I want to share those with you and just let you see, you'll see where I'm going with it. I picked up, um, well, I got something I picked up from Walmart as well, and then the eFavorMart. So it's just three little things that I picked up and I want to share with you guys. So I hope you're ready to see them. Now, we're going to start with what I picked up from the at-home store, which used to be Garden Ridge, okay? Now, I saw these beautiful glasses there. Now, I wanted some of the rainbow style glasses, but nobody has them anymore. See, my issue is when I see it, when they first come out, I really don't want it. In me is saying, don't get it, don't get it. But then when I decide, okay, I really want to get it now because I know what I can use it for, they're nowhere. But I went to at home and I saw these lovelies here. And I thought, oh, those are pretty. Now these were $3.99 at the at home store. I got me a set of 6 of these. And then the next thing I did, I thought, well, since I have those, why don't I go by Walmart and pick up this flatware set? Well, it's called the Rainbow Flatware Set. It's the fork, the spoon, the knife, and it comes with a bigger serving spoon and then the salad fork. But the set that you buy in the box is only a 4-piece set that has all 5 pieces. Well, they do have the loose ones that you can get and to make up, your 6-piece set like I wanted. But the 6-piece serving set did not have the serving spoon, the soup spoon, or the salad fork. It did not have those available. They were out of those. So I only got 2 more knives, 2 more forks, and 2 more teaspoons. And I said, when I see the soup spoon and the salad fork available, I'll make sure I get 2 more of those so I can have a complete set of this serving set. But that rainbow style is really pretty. And you see this? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, I did look for some plates or some dessert plates, but all they didn't have any in the store, but online, they had the metal ones. Well, I don't want metal. I either want them to be glass or melamine. If they're melamine, or ceramic, that's what I want. I don't want them to be steel. I don't like those. I just don't like the feel of them. That's just me. All right, on eFavorMart, I was looking around, and my issue is I didn't look completely. I was looking on my phone, and you know how on your phone things appear to be a little bigger than they are? Yeah. So I saw these purple plates, and they have a gold rim around them. But what I did was I thought I had ordered the 11-inch ones, but I didn't. These are 9. And it's going to take too long for the 11 to get here. Now, mind you, if I were to order the 11 inches, I could get them here tomorrow. But who wants to pay $70 for $12? It'll cost $70 for them to get them here tomorrow. But the pack of 10, and these are plastic, the pack of 10 of these is only $10. So why would I pay $70 to have them delivered tomorrow? or I could have them come at a later date, which I am, because I do want the larger ones. And it came with a little salsa here too. So those came from eFavorMart. Now, this is the package I got from Timo. Excuse me. You know, Timo made me order this. But when I saw it the first time, I thought I wanted it. But I didn't get it. I held out. Now, I saw they have those plants, you know, those big potted plants on there. And they had one that I thought would be good for my office. So I ordered it. And this has been my first time opening it and looking at it. But here are the leaves. So I guess after you spray it out and put it in a pot, it may be what I'm actually looking for. But I'm going to play with this. It is rather long, so I probably should have got 2 of these. And then put 2 of them in a pot and make it full. But we'll see how I do it in my office. This is just something I wanted for my office. I don't have a green thumb. I kill plants for some reason. My mom was the one with the green thumb. Okay? So, now, what else is in here? Something in here is rattling. Okay, now the next thing I got, this is the thing that Temu made me buy. I know we all seen it, and I wanted to, excuse me having unpacked it, it just literally came in the mail. And this is something I have been looking forward to getting, because I wanted to, with me now doing a lot of plant-based cooking, where I have to cut up a lot of vegetables and things. I saw this on one of the commercial things, and I thought, I want it. I gotta have it. Well, it has all these protective ends on it. Let me get this off the film. Got the little rubber feet to put on here. Remove this box. And if you didn't know, this is that clear acrylic cutting board they've been showing on Temu. Now it has the acrylic film on both sides, so I need to peel off the other side too. But the reason why I wanted it, because it was clear and it could just sit on your counter. And you could cut with on your counter. That was the whole reason of me getting this cutting board, because I wanted something different. Because when I'm cutting up my vegetables and things, I like to use my, there it is. I like to get my, I have some plastic cutting board that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now see how clear this is? That's why I liked it, because it had this clear acrylic cutting board. And I really wanted it. And I thought it would be great when I do my cooking videos, when I'm cutting up vegetables and so forth, that when I cut them up on here on the counter, oh, I thought that would be so pretty. So I ordered this from Temu as well. Now they have different sizes, but I got this size because I thought it would be good with the area that I used to cut up with. So I did this shopping on Temu. I told you I had a small haul, not too much to share. I got this cutting board, and I have to put my little feet on it. And then I got my beautiful stemware that I will be taking the price tags off of these when I use these in the upcoming video. And then I showed you my rainbow flatware. and my fake plant, and then the dishes. But Temu does have some nice things, and so does eFavorMart. And as you see, at home has some beautiful things. Now, they also had a drinking pitcher to go with these glasses, but I didn't need that. Where am I going to put it? But these were beautiful. I wish I could have found some plates like this. Maybe I didn't look hard enough, but it'd have been really beautiful to have something with this color on them as far as a plate is concerned. I think these are gorgeous. So let me know what you think about my small haul from Temu, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.